M&Ms, a famous candy brand established in 1940 by Mars Incorporated, ensures top quality through a strict and closed manufacturing process. Today, M&Ms is enjoyed in over 70 countries worldwide. Let me show you how M&Ms are made. First, cacao is harvested from tropical cacao plantations. Farmers carefully collect ripe cacao pods, cut them open, and extract the precious cacao beans inside. The beans are then fermented and dried to develop the distinct flavor. After drying, the cacao beans are sent to the factory for processing. They are placed into grinding machines to separate the husks and extract the nibs. Next, essential ingredients like sugar, cocoa powder, milk powder, and vegetable oils are brought to the factory. In the mixing room, sugar, cocoa powder, and milk powder are added to a large mixing machine. The machine adjusts the time and speed to make sure the mix is evenly combined. Once the chocolate mixture is ready, it's pushed into a molding machine where small round M&M-shaped candies are formed. These candies roll down conveyors, ready for the next step. The candies are then placed in a cooling chamber where they quickly solidify. This helps them maintain their shape and firmness for the next stages. Now, the candies are transferred to the coating machine. After the colorful coating, the candies are moved to a drying area. The drying process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the colors are dry, the M&Ms are sent to a special printing machine. Here, the iconic M is carefully stamped onto each candy. Each M&M is checked for size, color, and the accuracy of the M print. If any candy doesn't meet the standards, it's removed from the line. Finally, the M&Ms are placed into packaging. Automated machines fill each bag and seal it tightly to maintain freshness. The candies are then boxed up and ready for shipment. With vibrant packaging and secure seals, they're ready to be delivered to stores all over the world. That's how M&Ms are made. What food production would you like me to create a video about next? Let me know in the comments below.